Namaste. In the last 8 months, because of Corona, all the students are studying from home the way we are working from home. However, children are locked up, suffocated. Learning as such is happening in the form of online with the new scientific methodologies. But something what we are concerned is of their mental health. Adults have managed to get out of house in the name of work, XYZ, because things have opened up in the name of lockdown 1, unlock 2, unlock 3 and things like that. But the children have never found their unlock, not even unlock 1. So they're all the time at home, hardly meeting very few people. Children are also social beings, which means to say that they love to fraternize, socialize, interact with other children. And that is something which they are missing because of Corona. And that is something a matter of a huge mental health concern. Chitrakuta recently had something called as Fraternization Day. Yeah, you heard it right. Fraternization Day, where we call children. Obviously, optional, children and parents chose whether they want to come or not. And the children who came fraternized with other children. After 8 long months, seeing their school, seeing their teachers, seeing their friends, they were excited. It was fascinating for them. School took care of all precaution of safety, social distancing, sanitizing, and parents took care of transportation, dropping them, picking them back. Children and teacher had ball of a time.
Hello everyone, I am Sadat. Being a teacher, I have seen many magical moments in my life. One of my favorite is to see the students on a reopened day. After a summer vacation, the first day of the school I never miss. Because I just want to see the joy in their eyes. Imagine if the students are coming back to school after 8 months. Of course, we don't have any device to measure their happiness. Yes, it happened on 28th November. Our high school children had come to school. I could able to meet my students after a long time. I could see students becoming emotional by seeing their classrooms, by seeing their articles on notice board, and of course by meeting their friends and teachers. They were there in school only for an hour and a half, but they enjoyed the ambience of the school to the core. I totally enjoyed their company, and I felt very happy to see their willingness to stay in school for long.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು 8 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಮೂಟೆನ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೊರತಗ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಕಳೆದ 1.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಒಂದು ಗಳಿಗೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದೋಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ತರಗತಿಗಳಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಆನಂದ.
The school had earlier briefed us, both the teachers and the students, about the safety protocol to be maintained while we were at school. That protocol was strictly followed as we entered and left the campus, and also while we were inside the school. Sanitizers were placed at different points. We all wore our masks, maintained safe distance, and also enjoyed at the same time.
Recently, our school organized a fraternizing event where, with the consent of our parents, we could visit the school for a limited amount of time and have fun with our friends and teachers. First, we entered the campus while following social distancing. Though it was a bit difficult, I guess we pulled it off perfectly. And then we headed to our designated rooms. And once we entered there, it was just pure fun. I must say, it was quite balanced. We had fun, but we did not compromise on safety and vice versa.
I was especially very happy to meet my teachers as we could speak to them in person. We shared our experiences about the lockdown, had a lot of fun, played a lot of games and spent time very happily.
It was a wonderful experience, and I love to thank my school for giving this opportunity to fraternize with our friends. Thank you.